is the day. It's the deadline to file your taxes.
Yeah, so if you've been, putting this off, we're working for you this morning to share some last-minute tips that may help out. News 8's Chris Crow in studio with everything you need to know. Boy, talk about last minute here.
This is the day that a lot of people may not have circled on their calendar, and then they come into work and everyone's talking about taxes,
Right,
and they're
right.
like,
Oh, boy.
no.
Here we go.
Right? Yeah.
Take the rest of the day off.
Yeah, exactly. So there are a lot of ways that people can mess this up here at the last second. So we spoke with some experts. We heard from some experts, either if you expect to pay or expect to get a refund. Basically, what they are saying is that one of the big things people are trying to do right now is they're using AI to rush a filing. But you don't want to do that because it can present info as confidently wrong, which can lead to misfilings, audits, etc., penalties. You don't want to do that. So here's what else experts are saying, especially if you're filing last second. File an extension if you need time. We'll touch on that a little bit more as we get going. If you're going to file an extension and you've paid in the past, pay what you can as an estimate. Even a small amount can help avoid late fees on payments. Now, file electronically is going to be the fastest way to file on irs.gov. If you are filing by mail, ask USPS to postmark at the counter. That's because a new rule here is going to mess up how it is that it's stamped. The U.S. Postal Service postmarks are now applied when the mail is processed at a sorting facility, not when it's dropped off unless you ask for it. Now back to extensions. A CPA that we heard from says it's likely the best way to handle those last-minute filings. Take a deep breath, take your time, make sure that you do it right, including filing for that extension.
Trying to get everything in at the same time and just trying to beat the deadline. I say take a breath, take a breather, and just file the extension. And that way you have more time to, of course, file that tax return.
But remember, an extension to file is not the same as an extension to pay. That's why it's important that you go to the IRS's website to pay an estimate. Now, if you do get a tax bill that you can't afford, the IRS also offers payment options, both short-term and long-term.